Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this Mailfloss review, I will dive deep into whether this email verifier is truly the best option available for you in 2025. So let's get started. Have you ever sent an email that disappeared? Maybe it went to the wrong address. Mailfloss help fix that. It's a cool tool that check your email list to ensure that email addresses are valid and working. This is called email verification. Think of it like this: before you mail a letter, you want to make sure you have the right address. Mailfloss does that for your emails. This helps your emails deliverability, meaning your emails are more likely to land in people's inboxes. Mailfloss can work with other tools you might use. This is called integration. For example, it can connect to your email server provider. And here are the key important features about this platform, which is the Mailfloss. So Mailfloss has some really cool tools that makes clean your emails list easy and effective. It does more than just tell you if an email is bad. Here are some of the best things it could do to help your email deliverability. So for example, is the email connector. So Mailfloss can connect Mailfloss can connect Mailfloss automatically to many of the email service to get might ready use. Also, it comes with a frequency controller and a typo fixer, where you can simply fix the error using the mail typo fixer. It also comes with analytics and a email fixer and other important key features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, we have the different range of pricing plan. They have the pro plan, they have the brightness plan, and the light plan. So if you want more information about this the plan, you can just simply get back to the website, check out the pricing plan and the key features that is enlisted on each and every plan together with the cost of each plan. And that's it. So talking about the pros and cons about this website. So the pro states about the advantages about this platform. So it comes with an automated cleaning, an easy integration with effective verification and a typos correction together with a real-time verification detail analysis, which is for the advantages. Now talking about the disadvantages, which is the downside about this platform. Cost can add up. There is not a fixed price amount, no free plan. Reliance and integrations fix is not always guaranteed. So that's just it about the downside about this platform called Mailfloss. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website. Thanks.